In this video, what we are going to see is the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. The position of hydrogen in the periodic table, CBSE 11th Chemistry, 9th unit. The question is the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Hydrogen is the simplest atom with one electron, contains one proton and one electron. It is a diatomic gas present in them. The monatomic hydrogen combines unstable in nature, combines with another hydrogen atom present in the form of molecular state. Here these are all the key points which justify the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. The first heading is resemblance of hydrogen with alkali metals. Hydrogen resembles alkali metals in the formation of unipositive ion. Here, the alkali metal with the loss of one electron in their valence shell forming unipositive ion, example Na+, K+, and Ccm+. Similarly, hydrogen also possesses the property of forming unipositive ion. The second property, hydrogen resembles alkali metals, is the formation of compounds like halides, oxides, peroxides, and sulfide. For example, sodium with halide, sodium chloride, bromide, and oxide, peroxide, sulfide. Hydrogen also possesses the property of forming with halides. It form hydrogen halide. Example, X may be chlorine, bromine, iodine. For example, hydrogen halides like HCl, HBr, HA, and HF. Like that of alkali metals, hydrogen also forms hydrogen peroxide, hydrogen sulfide, water molecule, H2O. But the ionization energy of hydrogen is very high than that of alkali metals. So these are all the properties with the properties of hydrogen with the alkali metals. The next one is resemblance with halogen. Like that of halogens, here it forms hydrogen also forms the anion with the acceptance of electron. But the electron affinity of halogen is less than that of hydrogen. So hydrogen, but altogether it exhibits +1 oxidation state and present in diatomic gaseous state. Now we are going to see those points in book. The position of hydrogen in the periodic table. So hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. Hydrogen possesses the electronic configuration of 1s1. In some of the, it possesses the electronic configuration 1s1. It is similar to that of alkali metals. That is second point. And also on the other hand, the halogen possesses the ns2npfa configuration. That is the halogen. By the acceptance of electron, it forms the negative ion anion. In that cases, hydrogen resembles the helium inert gas configuration. So, in the formation of unipositive ion, electronic configuration, it resembles alkali metals. Second case, in the formation of negative ion, it resembles helium, that is inert gas configuration. And the resemblance with the alkali metals, that is formation of unipositive ions. So, like that of alkali metal, hydrogen forms unipositive ion. So, the unipositive ion, and like that of alkali metals, it forms halides, oxides, peroxide, like that of alkali metals. But the ionization, the next point given is the ionization energy. The energy needed for the removal of electron is for hydrogen is much higher than that of alkali metals. And the next one is the electron affinity of hydrogen also. Hydrogen is also less when compared to the halogens. And finally, it is given that the hydrogen from hydrogen atom results in the nucleus, that is monatomic gas. The size of the hydrogen ion is given. It is extremely small when compared to the atomic and ionic size of 50 to 200 picometer. So thereby it does not exist freely. It is always associated with other atoms or molecule. So thus its unique behavior, it is best placed in the top of the periodic table along with the alkali, along the side of the alkali metal which possesses the positive oxidation state. So these are all the properties, these are all the points which justify the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. It resembles alkali and halogens in some of the properties. It also differ from the hydrogen and alkali metals in some of the properties. And because of that monatomic state and the size of the monopositive ion are always present in the diatomic gas. So with that, it is placed in the top of the periodic table. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Thank you.